Psychology test questions and answers are tough to find on the net. That is what inspired me to help out the readers. So, here is an interesting list of questions with their answers that will help you get the basic knowledge about psychology. Psychology is the science of the mind. As such, it cannot be defined in a definite manner. The results may fluctuate from patient to patient and circumstance to circumstance. I am not trying to dramatize psychology. Trust me, it can be that complicated. So, if you are planning to get into psychology as a career, then the best way to know if you can do it or not is to answer these basic questions. Even if you don't score highly on this psychology test, the questions and answers will help you know what you don't. Be it educational or general psychology test questions, the psychological test will equip you for the long journey that you are looking to embark upon. So, enough of introductions. Let's get down to business. I'd just like to tell you, you need to be attentive and focused. Do not get disheartened if you do not get the answers to any question at the first instance. Try your answers for each question before clicking on the Show Answer button. Do not cheat yourself. Psychological test questions to test yourself. Which is the most popular definition of psychology as a science? A. Psychology is the science of the mind. B. Psychology is the science of consciousness. C. Psychology is the science of computers. D. Psychology is the science of behavior. E. Psychology is the science of philosophy. Answer. What is a typical symptom of schizophrenia? A. Nightmares. B. An obsession with cleanliness. C. Excessive checking, heart palpitations. D. Hallucinations. E. Dual behavior. Answer. How would you describe the condition called dyslexia? A. Any impairment of language processing. B. An impairment of language processing due to minimal brain damage. C. Inability to retrieve difficult vocabulary words on command. D. A group of symptoms including stuttering and letter reversals. E. Specific problems with reading. Answer. Hypnosis is a debated treatment technique. What is the popular opinion about what it involves? A. Synchronization of brainwaves. B. Eye fatigue. C. The locus coeruleus. D. Split personality. E. Hypersuggestibility. Answer. Schizophrenia, mania and obsessive-compulsive disorder are a part of which stream of psychology? A. Criminal psychology. B. Abnormal psychology. C. Normal psychology. D. Cognitive psychology. E. Health psychology. Answer. Who is the father of modern psychology? A. Sigmund Freud. B. Kurt Goldstein. C. Abraham Maslow. D. John B. Watson. E. Kurt Lewin. Answer. In an ordinary sleep cycle, how many stages does an individual go through? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4, E. 5. Answer. In psychological reference, what does ESP stand for? A. Enhanced superparallel planning. B. Extrasensory perception. C. English for specific purpose. D. Extended striantflow prediction. E. Effective sensory projection. Answer. How many types of stimuli response combinations does an individual have? A. 1, B. 2, C. 4, D. 10, E. Infinite. Answer. Do psychological conditions have any physiological manifestations? A. Yes. B. No. Answer. Well, these are the basic psychology test questions that you need to know if you hope to pursue any job in this field with a bachelor's degree. Keep in mind, the precise answer is there, right in front of you. Carefully mull over each choice offered before you hit upon the right answer. If you come up with the maximum number of correct answers, then psychology is an interesting field you can explore. These questions will help you brace yourself for what lies ahead in the vast field of psychology. This is where I sign off. Stay cool.